Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about the membership operator in Python. So there are the two type of membership operator available in the Python. The one is in and another one is not in. The in operator will return true if the particular value present in a given sequence, and not in is the reverse of in, and it will return true if the value does not exist in the given sequence. So let's check it in the pie chart. So first of all, we have to check the in operator, and we know that the in operator will return true if the particular value present in the given sequence. So first we have to create a sequence like the name is equals to, I am taking here the Python. So here the name contains the sequence of the characters. So from that character set, we have to check whether the particular letter is present in the given sequence or not. So I am trying to check whether the particular letter like P is present in the given sequence or not. So I will write here the P in the sequence name is name. So I am trying to check whether the P is present in the given sequence or not. But before getting the answer, you just have to check what we have written in the single quotes. We have written here in small case, but here it is written in uppercase, and the in operator is case sensitive. So if the case is not matched, then it will return false. Otherwise it will return true. So let's check what the output we will get. So here it is returning false because we are trying to find whether the small case P is present in the given sequence of name or not. But if I will write here in uppercase P, then obviously it will find it out at the 0th position that P is found in the given sequence. So it will return true. Right? So it is returning the true value. And another letter also you can check here that the Y is present in the given sequence or not. Okay, so Y is also present. And if I will write here the another value like P, and I'm trying to check whether the P is present in the given sequence or not, then obviously it will return false because the 5 is not present in the given sequence. Now come to the reverse of the in is not in. Okay, so if I will try to check whether the 5 is present in the given sequence or not, and I am just finding out to check that the 5 is not present in the given sequence. So I will write like this, the 5 not in the sequence of name. So here I am checking that the 5 not in name, and yes, 5 not in the given sequence of name, so it will return true. Right? So it is returning true. Let's check the another example. Suppose I am writing here the roll, and we have taken the roll number like this, the roll numbers. Okay. And here we have the list of roll numbers like 12, 34, 56, 43, 78 and so on. And I want to check whether the 34 is present in the given list or not. So we have to check like this. The roll number, I am trying to find out that 20 in roll number. Okay. So here I am checking that the 20 is present in the roll number list or not. So this time the 20 is not present in the given list, so it will return false. Yes. And if I will write here the 20 is not in the given list, then obviously yes, it will return true because the 20 is not present in the given list, so it will return true. So hopefully it makes sense for you, and if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Thank you all.